Located in London's Southwark under the tracks heading to London Bridge Station, the Southwark Brewing Company is one of the more interesting and larger brewers along the Bermondsey Beer Mile. Founded in 2014 by a few brewing industry veterans who saw the growth of small craft breweries outside London and wanted to help bring that same excitement into the city to give local pubs a more local, interesting option. They set out to do this in the heart of what was once the area for breweries in London, and where we're now seeing the craft scene bring back to life again. And you can hear all about this and a load of other great stories on one of their informative tours, and trust us, it's worth it. You just have to make sure to show up Thursday evenings for the public tour or on Saturdays through London brewery tours. But what about the beers themselves? Well, they're great. Southwark has a pretty impressive variety of brews with a near constantly changing selection thanks to their seasonal and specialty made beers, all of which though are made with pride using more traditional methods but with some very interesting modern recipes. So, if you find yourself in the neighborhood, we would most certainly suggest a visit here. Southwark Brewing is a fun, lively spot with some pretty delicious beers. And if you want to know more, you can of course check out the links in the description of this video. And if you have enjoyed this today, please do like and subscribe, and we hope to see you all on our next adventure.